right here. So I'm in the process of scrubbing and cleaning this tile floor. You can see this is the clean part. That's the dirty part. I'm not stripping it. I'm using a red pad and just cleaning up the tile. I'm not stripping up the wax. So as you can see, then I want to come back with the white pad and spray buff it and bring a shine to it. I did this floor in August. Was it August? Honestly, I'm not sure. I believe it was right before school started. It's actually the school that my daughter goes to. It's a school slash church. You can see how bad this floor done got over those couple of months. You can see this. So I'm not gonna go all the way back here. I'm probably gonna stop somewhere right along here. Actually, I'm gonna pull this. Kind of give me a little border on where I was gonna actually stop it. So I'm not going all the way back there. Mainly just up here. So I've been working on it for probably about I give it about an hour, honestly. I think I got here about 45 minutes, about 4:45. So I'm along this part here. I did all of that out the door. So now I'm about to get ready to pre-spray this side, and then all this area where I'm at. I may do this side first, and then work my way out the door. So probably be here for about another hour and a half. What's up, YouTube, Facebook? I did this floor about 8 months ago. At that time, I stripped the floor, removed all the finish off of it, and added 2 coats of finish. Today, I'm just pre-scrubbing it, honestly. I'm not removing any wax. Not removing any wax. Just doing a top scrub. Then I want to come back and buff it out. As you can see, I've already cleaned this. That's how dirty it was. I don't really have a good before on how it looked, but yep. Turn the fan that way. So kind of speeding up, kind of moving a little fast because I don't want my floor to dry while I'm in the process of scrubbing it and cleaning it. So I had to do this floor in sections. I did it in 4 sections. Y'all see how that look dull right there? I'm not gonna pass it with the buffer. Bring that shine back to it. Floor. Start from the beginning. Just a little corridor area when you first walk in. So I was here yesterday and I cleaned the floor, and I had my buffer, my little 175 buffer. It's not a speed buffer, but it did bring a nice little shine to it. But the customer wanted a more, as you can see, that gloss look. So yesterday I basically just cleaned the floor, buffed it out. So I had time this morning. They wanted more of that shine to it. So I came by and put probably about 2 coats of finish. I put it down pretty heavy just so it can get that shine, and so I don't have to put multiple layers.